All the functions of your pallet jack are controlled by the lever on the handle. The neutral position allows you to move the jack without affecting the forks. The down position allows you to raise the forks by pumping. Pulling the lever into the up position allows you to lower the load. Move the control lever to the neutral position to steer the jack. Then align the jack's prongs with the fork openings of the pallet. Pull the control lever up to lower the prongs to the floor. Guide the prongs inside the pallet. Make sure the pallet is centered and stable before lifting. Next, press the control lever down and pump the handle to lift the pallet from the floor. Switch the control lever back to the neutral position to move the pallet. When you are ready to place the load, pull and hold the control lever up to lower the pallet to the floor. Move the handle back to the neutral position when you are done. Before you move the pallet jack again, put the control lever into the down position and pump the handle to raise the fork slightly off the ground. This will make it easier to move. When the pallet jack is not in use, store it in a secure location and always keep the forks lower to the ground.